Hi folks, this is the Mobile DevOps update for December 12th, 2022. I have 3 topics I'd like to cover in today's update, so let's jump right in. Up until now, the project-level secure files feature has been available on GitLab.com, but the feature flag has been disabled for self-managed instances. I'm excited to share that we'll be enabling this feature by default in the 15.7 release later this month. As part of the work to prepare for this release, a new downloader tool was created to make it easier to load secure files into CI jobs. The new downloader tool is written in Go, so it can be easily cross-compiled for other target platforms without additional dependencies. This downloader is also designed to work with the new CI/CD components architecture that is being developed. This eliminates the need for the direct runner integration I talked about in a previous update, and allows us to move to a full release of project-level secure files sooner. So keep an eye out for the 15.7 release on December 22nd. Changing gears, in my last update, I talked about the idea of building an integration with the Apple App Store to simplify the authentication process for CI/CD jobs. This integration is designed so it can be configured with the Apple App Store Connect credentials. Those credentials are then added as protected CI variables to the pipelines. The naming of these CI variables follows the patterns established in the Fastlane project, so that this integration will work out of the box with no additional configuration required. In this example, the call to App Store Connect API key loads in the configuration from the CI variables and makes a connection to the App Store. Any future calls to the App Store will use this session. Here's just some example code that makes an API request, but the same connection could be used to publish a build to test flight or to the App Store. This MR is currently in review and should get merged soon. The last thing I'd like to talk about today is an idea that is in the early stages, but I think could be helpful for a lot of teams. The idea is to see if there is a way we could offer SAS runners to GitLab customers on self-managed instances. The problem folks are running into is that for certain types of runners, it can be difficult and expensive for self-managed customers to operate and maintain their own machines. macOS runners are an example that come up often, but a solution to this could be generalized for other platforms as well. If we could provide an easy and secure way for self-managed customers to run their CI jobs on SAS runners, we could save folks a lot of time and money. I've created an issue to discuss the technical approach, but also to capture interest from the community. If this is something you or your team would be interested in, please let us know by leaving a comment or adding a thumbs up to this issue. That's all for now. Check out the issue linked in the video description below for more information on everything I've covered today. Thanks for watching.